Navy history, March 3rd. Under the command of Commodore Isaac Hopkins and Marine Captain Samuel Nicholas, the Continental Navy makes the first American amphibious landing operation at New Providence, Bahamas, and captures the forts for much-needed ordnance and gunpowder. Continental Brig Cabot comes under attack by HMS Milford and ends up becoming the first Continental Navy ship captured by the British. The office of the CNO, Chief of Naval Operations, is established by Congress with Admiral William S. Benson named as the first CNO. During the Battle of Iwo Jima, 3 Marines and 2 sailors commit acts of such conspicuous gallantry and intrepidity at the risk of life above and beyond their call of duty, and they were later awarded the Medal of Honor. The servicemen are Corporal Charles Berry, Private First Class William Caddy, Sergeant Harrell, Pharmacist Mate Third Class Jack Williams, and Pharmacist Mate Second Class George Wallen. Initially attached to Fighter Squadron VF-121 and operated out of a trailer, the Navy's Fighter Weapons School, also known as Top Gun, is established. Danger Zone. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the history. Which one was your favorite? I know this was a little bit longer than the other ones, but the Battle of Iwo Jima one was very, very good and much needed. But thank you for your time. Check out the kits down below. Have a great day.